In this episode, we will write some short U words. The letter U has many sounds, but the short U sound makes the sound like an umbrella. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Let's get started. Write the word mug. Check your answer. Now, turn mug into rug. Check your answer. Now, change the R into a D. What word do you have now? You're right. You have the word Doug. Now, change Doug into tug. Check your answer. Now, change the T into an H. What word do you have now? You're right. You have the word hug. Now, change hug into bug. Check your answer. Finally, change the B into a J. What word do you have now? You're right. You have the word jug. Good job. You were able to read and write short U words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.